We can see clearly now, the truth is out. Every day we can see clearly now. Where did Jimmy Cliff there? We can see clearly now, the truth is out. Every day, we can see clearly that same so TV is owned by T Galley. Yeah, 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 we can see clearly that same so TV is owned by T Gal She. What's up, people, my family? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? We're all here alive. Give thanks to the Lord. You understand? Who could it be? Nobody but He. If a mankind alone, them want to see them own go down, much less strangers, people them never ever meet in them life before. Anyway, people, I don't come for do no long talking despite when I say I come for do no long talking, it come like the more me talk. But sometimes I not come with the vibes that fi come talk no long thing more than just get the message across and move along. Whereas when me talk to somebody right now, just before me start the video, I see it as a snow mint me have to go eat. You understand? Because I'm just getting on top of my stomach, my digestive system, you know, not overriding again. It just not settle. Sometimes I could have override the digestive system just to digest them, but it not working. You understand? So, me have to eat a little snow mint or so, or rub up with little alcohol or so, you know, and revive myself before I start the video. So, you know what to do? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And remember the double press something that I'm telling you about. As you hit the video, bang, you just hit the thumbs up. You understand? And remember, please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Just go right over there and go subscribe. Remember, it is not too far from the 3,000 subscribers. I'm a beg on that for the end by now at the end of the month. I want to have this week and a few days next week. So basically I want to have nearly a full week and a day or two. And the channel need for 52 subscribers to reach that 3,000. I want to hang out. I don't like when I hang out. When I move like when I tin mackerel, like when I want to flash out. When I hang out. Anyway, when I don't know my style, like drama is part of me. So anyway, go subscribe anyway to Life is a Mission TV if you have not yet subscribed. And if you're new over there, Life is a Mission TV, you can't miss. When you put in Life is a Mission TV, you see the big ugly boy face, the uncut neck boy face just come up in front of you with the uncut neck. Yes, man. Just subscribe now, man. Family oriented channel. Entertainment, cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, drama, commentary, and a whole. You name it. The whole works over there. A different vibes over there. Not the same thing over here, so over there. Alright? Family oriented. The bar talk drama, rum and water talk, corner drama. When you don't hear them down, you might hear a little thing, but I make sure putting the title say rated PG. So you know, say boy, if you have a little son or daughter or grandson or granddaughter side of you, you can excuse them for a minute. But otherwise, saying that them can the right side of you listen everything. All the time we do the big people talk on the live and anything. So we're talking parables. Who not hear and understand, I just saw it go. You understand? But anyway, people. Boy, them a try hard, them a try hard, them a try hard, them a try hard, them a try hard. And them choose YMK to be the man with them a poke. You know? Because probably them not have no other source. Because them come out and say Donna pay 99 through ex-woman. The last time I call a woman the name, me never call it for no harm or no bad, me just say something. And when me there say it was a general statement, but probably true she did say something back then, she take it on and, you understand? Yeah, but no hard feelings, that's how it go. But as me have said, them claim to say Donna pay 360 to keep silent. And the payment that come through the ex-woman did and know that woman there? Yeah, the same woman there. But guess how I say all of them are sitting here? Cause them continue since they got the meet and greet, you know. to try to wedge things in a Kris head. Because I don't know if them have Kris weak. You know? So them a poke him and continue to poke him for him to come out and have that outburst. Then them a say, oh, me not tell you if you come out, come cuss her now. But leave our company. Leave our company. Yes, me not tell you if you come on your platform, come cuss her out. But that's literally what you want. Same so TV, aka T-Girl. That's exactly what you want to see happen. Because this is just another dip in the bag, you know, and come up with something, you know. But me not think it a go work same way. So you continue dipping in the bag to the razor cut you. Or you hand right now in the bag. Because you gotta reach some part of the bag where something go in there, you gotta wrap now your hand if you continue to dip in the bag. Because every time you dip you feel, you know. And there is something in the bag. Remember, nobody feel like I just pick you, go come pick up your tricks them and it go work. Something in them. So when you reach this so, and run out of your tricks them, at this so you go reach. And you're not gonna know when you reach this so, because you continue dipping at the bag and dipping at the bag, but you're going to reach there one of the day. People, when you listen to this video, when you don't know she will give it in the same voice. Yes. When you see me play, I show you a video yesterday. I want to see it identify say a she. Alright. In this video, she come with the same voice now again. But this is same so TV. And the only dissecting I might do in this video is when she says something, certain things. I want to just listen keenly along the way. And then I'm going to stop the video and point out. There is so much things she said in this video that is same way she talk naturally when she depend on fear, be known platform where her face show up on. These are the same identical words, same identical way she put the sentence, the same identical thing she said on her platform. I go and point out a few to so just listen keenly because I'm not going to rewind it for more than the time. She say what she say from now listen. I'm stop the video and say, I just reflect back in on the mind and play it back that in on the mind and listen. And just think back on her life what she do and listen her if she have said this and this is the same way she sound. Alright? So stay tuned and just do the do me say. Remember in the comment section you have Tamika Douglas and you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Remember today is them last day for that 10 subscription a week. Boy, last week, I think one of them did get through, but one did fall short. This week not start good at all, and tomorrow, the present week, no, look good. And today is the last day. So make them get even 5 out of the 10 maybe gonna. So who subscribe to none of those 2 channels in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy and Tamika Douglas. Just go ahead and subscribe now, please and thanks. And you can subscribe to the 3 channel if you don't subscribe either to Life is a Mission TV. It not cost you no $1. Wholesale for free. 3 for free. We do it like how T-Girl look cupcake. Buy 12, get 12. But you're not buying nothing over here, so. You get wholesale over here, so. 3 for free. Alright? Not a cent. Anyway, wanna listen keenly. We see what you try, T-Girl. We see what you try.
So welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm sure you guys see I done ruffled some feathers. Yes, I did. The plunker, them mad out there as hell. They are very upset. The plunker bloggers, them are upset, and then the whole plankers, they are all upset. You know what the problem with y'all? Because y'all don't want to hear the truth. And y'all wonder why Jamaica cannot get better. It's because of people like you, people like Uno, will wash out on a criminal them.
Just listen to her and reflect on her original page.
You know what I mean? Them right up close. People like Uno. Because I don't know what in that last video that I said that was incorrect. You guys know the truth. I'm not just saying that. Y'all could just go out and just put the name them in YouTube. All the names that I called, just put them in YouTube. That's it. And the videos will come up and you could sit there and watch it to damn self. But instead I don't want to run out and sending all kind of threatening messages and think I'm going to run and hide. No, negative. No. We're going to keep talking. We are going to keep talking, absolutely. So today,
Social media bad girl.
speak about Mr. Baker.
Now when you in the street, I be hide your eye.
Okay, Kris.
I think your vacation and show yourself online.
And his wonderful sister, Auntie Donna. Boy, the plank of
Wanna
them
hear
wanna
the
do
laugh?
Kris bad. Wanna do Kris bad, but me I go come today and me I go talk the truth. Kris is not my favorite person. Definitely not. Because I think for a gay man to be so disrespectful to women and then women are follow him and are support him, nah, negative. I've heard that man said some words out of his mouth to women. I heard that man cuss out Marcia Campbell like a dog for Donna. I can never respect him again. But I am gonna speak the truth.
So, you know, your master can be cuss out both man and woman. And you respect she. Because fear cussing is nothing at all. But choose a man that and him a cuss woman is a problem. So what I'm doing woman a cuss woman? Do you show any respect for your own gender? Since it's a gender issue. When you come out here a cuss woman in the worst way, you don't ever think about the respect you have for your own gender? It is just coming like you have your family member, you don't care for them, but you don't want somebody to care for them. You not take them up and give them a cup of water, but if them beg me, I'm not give them, I go around and tell people, say, me mean, I have see a little family beg a cup of water, and you not give them. Because if you're a female, and you have a point out what Kris do, right? Cuss out woman. How much you over here as woman and cuss out other woman? Cuss out woman, the same person where you make reference to has done it numerous amount of time. So what your point here? Uno woman and uno bring down woman and a phone gender, but uno want man because uno feel like say true we are man, you know? We can't tell uno about uno clot or uno BC or uno RC. And send uno go around the corner they say uno not belong or uno supposed to there. Cause we are man. And as we start talking, uno say we are mama man and what kind of man could they be and this and that. And all kind of taranat. Why? When uno as woman not setting any example for the same gender we want to come out here and pick up for. So it basically seems like it's okay for woman to cuss woman. And cuss woman when I do them nothing at all, not interfere with them, not trouble them business, not walk across them line, not do nothing. It is okay for uno to come out and cuss woman. Remember, listen to the name where you refer to, you make reference to, you know, Marcia. Of all the person, you make reference to. And then come out here want to teach or tell people things and tell what to do.
It is wrong the way Donna treat Kris. Don't get me wrong, you know. Don't get me wrong. I think Kris they kind of use Donna trying to get something out of her.
Wanna listen right this again? Don't get me wrong.
But Donna don't like Kris.
Original
Donna
page
do
that
not
again.
like Kris. You have to understand the people that Donna affiliate with in her community. What Kris is, they're very much against that. People like that don't usually make it out of that community.
You come back with that again? You come back with that again?
Because of what? Because of social media and they know if anything happened to him and whatever. People that is that way, especially out there like that, and then go married to another male, they don't usually make it out of Mountain View alive. And I'm being honest.
Come on. Stop talk your crap. Can you point out an incident like that that has ever happened? Single out an incident. Not going to say it don't happen. But to you're putting this across to the public, like you know of numerous amount of occasions that things like this happen on Mountain View. That's what you put out there in the atmosphere, you know. You know of numerous occasions where things like this where you refer to happen on Mountain View. So I'm just asking you to tell the wider public in social media and the wider world then of one occasion that you know of. Come on. Since you don't want to come out here and talk all kind of crap and tell people all kind of things and they must run with it and believe it, where you have phone like a handful of people who might believe, or believe, but you want to persuade other people outside in believing what you say without you have any factual evidence. So why can't you come out here with factual evidence? Something like this happened, you live a foreign. It's supposed to come over the media. You say you did in a media TV, girl, because you are same so TV, I stop talking about AKA, and you are same so TV. This is the second I've been knowing this a while, but as I said, day by day, it's like probably you get fed up of doing this. So it's like you don't care no more. So the disguise in your voice, it's like it is not as peak as how it used to be one time. When Raphael said, no man, it's so like she, it near she. No, we can't say it. No, it's you. The same words, the same way how you put your sentence together on your platform with Tina Chin, Tina pop-up cake, rum cake this, rum cake that, are same, so you do it yourself. So when I say, you used to enter the media according to you. Why can't you go back in your archive and show us the evidence of anything like this ever happening in a Mountain View from one of our main media in Jamaica, whether the Star, the Gleaner, TVJ or CVM? Can you do that and show the public make we see? What you talk about is a general thing in Jamaica. We all know Jamaican are homo. We all know Jamaican are homo. And at the same time, these same garrison where you are talking about, I saw them still each up in the garrison. Them same type of people that in the garrison same way. Some of them broad too, but broad. Because what? Family strength. What I say? Family strength. So them have strong grounds to stand up on. And no boy can't go so. And no boy can't go so. You understand? So you make it look like say this is something we happen on Mountain View on a daily basis. Come up with your evidence. It's a general thing in Jamaica. Go as far as you have man, you have them own family and that, but at the same time them lick out on that and them hook up them family. I saw it go. You have man, you have friend with that. And the first thing I tell you, boy, I not indulge in a way I do, but I'm a friend from where I grew as youth and we go to school. We used to cook together and all them something that him choose him road. Him can't bring it to me, but if him heal me, I go heal him and whatsoever. But I don't like say you go see me and him a road and do anything. Yes, you still have man, you have them brethren where them grew up with from youth days where becomes that where them still might heal. You understand? Him choose him life what we can do. Got prison feet. And him choose him life. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. Me not go say how boy figure. You understand? But you choose your destiny.
Donna don't like you, Kris. She don't. But what is sad, out of all our Donna friends, and I'm not even gonna really talk about low
Listen right here, so now all them have no sense. Listen here, so all she have no sense.
Out of all our Donna little friends, Kris has been the only one that I've seen that tried to make it to every event Donna have. Come on guys, let's be honest. Even when Donna got the fake doctorate degree the other day, Kris flew down for that.
Jealousy,
Every little thing,
Bonnie.
Kris fly wherever Donna is. He does. But for some
You hear this
reason,
again?
Donna
He
don't
does.
see.
Original
Donna don't
page
see
top that.
because we all
He
know Donna
does.
is a user. All Donna sees dollar sign. Donna don't see anything else that other than way to rob, steal, and get.
I know that make you not see dollar sign, lady. I don't know, I tell you all your years where you do this and I do that and I pan down and I rub shoulders with celebrities. You shouldn't see dollar sign. Or should you tell you not see dollar sign? Everybody in this world wants to see dollar sign. So what you talk about? Eh? She do anything out of the way? More than want to accuse her of? She doing so Donna doing something out of the way to achieve her dollar sign? More than what you accuse her of? Well, soon, you might have to go tell it to the court. Me don't know why she take so long I wish she want people. I don't want to come out and come tell us say God talk to her and tell us nobody with the suing or the courthouse business. I can't that you wait, man. You wait too long, Donna. A 1 week and had now since meet and greet done. And all of this supported they are put in place from day one. Long time. So all you have to do now is just press the button and say serve. And that's what it's supposed to do right now, you know. You waiting to go to America. Yes, and you reach America now. The only thing is like when you're in your business place and you suspect something and you have the panic button for press. That's all left for you to know. It's just a kind of panic button. It will be for them panic, not your one. Boom and press the button. Serve. Me don't know where you wait for. Where you wait for to come out and come surprise Blanca Nation and tell them the Lord God talk to you. And tell us that don't bother with it. Just leave them to time. Honestly, you'd have let down way. You'd have let way down. I better you go court and lose. I make them come out and come chat. And at the same time, remember, I know like you go there for sue them for their money because they don't have none. You go there for sue them because you want to discipline them. So if it not work one way, it can work the other way where them have to do cease and desist. So if step one not work, where we can milk them and drain them and make them be a pauper for the rest of them life because remember now them now have $1 for gain of sue men, you know. So basically every dollar with them work, you just sign it off to charity. Because charity we say. So you just sign it off to charity. Every dollar will come from them goes to charity. But if that no work, say them find clause and the courthouse see there's clause then and say okay, alright, we got to compromise this case because XYZ. Which not compromising at the day, but just I say. Step 2 is there. So them still can't come out and come chat. Cease and desist. And when you say cease and desist, we don't mean you come out and come talk about Bertha. Because we're going to have evidence with all the nicknames and all the things that you are referring to in the video, calling other names instead of calling government name or our name that everybody knows us of. It can still go to the court to say, see it here, she's still attacking me in a different way. All this what she's talking about, it's about me. So you have to just cease and desist totally. So you still are going to be a loser. So Donna, I'm going to ask you again on behalf of Blanca Nation. What are you waiting on now, ma'am? Are you waiting for your heart to get softer? And said that, okay, Father God said, leave them to time. You know? What you think is going to happen? Anyway, I your business and on my own. I'm sure no other Blanca Nation them won't either. We're on a concern as your supporters. But our you say at the end of the day, if we stand, we can't say nothing. We only can say what we would have liked to see. But if you decide not to make Safat get the better of you, after you make Safat get the better of you for over 5 years, I mean say over 1 year and had no, I see heart get tougher, get tougher, get tougher, get tougher, get tough. I mean just a wait and everybody is just a wait for see plane took off and when you say you're in America. And then no heart get back soft. When heart supposed to tough, because America come like freezer them say, and then say freezer keep things tough. Your heart get back. Actually, you go up in a summer, so the heart gets soft. Okay. Now come out and come tell me about God talk to you, you know. Oh.
That's it. That's all Donna see. Donna don't even like herself. She don't. She just like money. So that's all she see. Because even if you don't really like Kris because whatever his lifestyle is, she must can't sit down and say, boy, every little thing me they have her getting anything, Kris always a fly down for it. And I doubt Donna is giving him $1 towards them tickets and towards hotel fare.
Donna never discriminate nobody.
Rent a car and all that. I highly doubt that. Right? But no, she's not like that because she's just a selfish woman. So, fast forward. Look what happened at the gala. Kris came out and...
That's another thing she always used on her original channel. Fast forward 2 days later. Fast forward a day later. See, she come use this again. Me tell her me I go point out most of these words where she use, where she use on a daily basic on her channel where we all know say that is our government name. No, we not really government name, but that is our channel where we see her pan. Face to face, no voice of this guy's not at all. Same words. Fast forward.
Kris vent,
Regularly
and I watched
used.
everything. And honestly, what Kris was venting for, talking about pictures and everybody want to take pictures, I don't think that's what Kris was upset for. I think Kris was upset because the way he was treated.
She gone in and Kris said no. Listen to the idiot.
Kris was upset because I think he believed Donna probably would have had a table with her, the 1 and 2 family there. She don't have much family. Her family really don't mess with her like that. That's why you always see her around a bunch of strangers. Her family don't really mess with her like that.
Donna has no family living in Kingston. Donna family them who ask is our country Donna family them live. Donna family is not the Jing Bang and Jezebel them like you. Where out in the street on a daily basic. Donna family them devil like camera. Notice anytime she go up there, them just run and hide and nobody no want go in a camera. We all know that and so everybody stay away there. Even some of we out here, we talk about we are vlog and we are blog. At start, I know something we really like. But we gradually, we like to do the thing, but I don't like, we have the bravery at the starting when we are start to do it. Because when we just start do this, you couldn't get me go out in the public, go hold up a camera, so I look like me an idiot because people just watch me. What am I do? And I feel a way within myself. But me I said, no. This is something that I like, I enjoy. And gradually me get in. I'm out there like a journalist now, brave professional journalist where they work for 50, 20 years. And it coming like nothing to me again. So it's just like people, when the camera turn upon them, with them know say, boy, it's not them friend of video, them are take a picture of them. Them know what this is all about. This is to the world. Them have a little shyness there. So not even that them no want. So we are talking about our family is not into her. Like our family, them live at Kingston and it's nothing at all strange if your family not into you. It's not all family live good. Some of them no belly pain and no live good. You understand? So no come out and come talk. All no belly pain and no live good. But when you come out, you come and talk about other people. Eh? At the first, you're going to say family and family and live good. Eh? Worse when family feel like, say, if you get up and mind them every day, our family feel like, say, boy, okay, you have 4 cars, so you can't give it 2 for drive up and down. Yeah. Why me have 4? Is that reason why me have 4. It just come like a man in them say, walk around the shop, go buy 6 bun. But through a 6 bun you have, and him beg you when you say you can't give him, say you mean. Because you have 6 bun, you're supposed to can give him 1. I buy me, go buy my 6 bun, If me did want 1 bun, 1 would I buy, don't it? But because I know the reason why I want 6 bun, is either that I have to serve me for 6 days or a 6 away. And you have a big one and you give you some mean, you see me with 6. And that's how family stay. Them feel like say you're rich or you have money, they must sit down and live off of you. And some of them they will pay a damn mind until you don't have nothing at all. Some of them never even share with you. In the days where you don't have nothing and them they are like a step ahead of you. Not even share them, not share with you. Not even a rice grain. So this is not strange when you come and talk, if even so be the case. Your bird pay, the one them where you have we call it when you're pregnant, belly pain for. Them not like you. So what the difference?
At least a table with her there. And even if Kris didn't VIP ticket, Donna should have upgraded his seat. There should have been at least 3 or 4 seats in the front. These seats are for certain people. And Kris and his husband should have been in one of those seats because they have done a lot for Donna.
At least 4 seats. Alright, we're going to check out something here now. Kris and his husband that are 2. I don't call Miss Lawton. Miss Phoenix are 3. Carol are 4. Nanalin a 5. Rose a 6. So why 4 table? And probably more is there where we would have said close and more dear to her. Probably would have did it also what we might not know about. Because she have friends what we don't know. These are might just the friends that we know in social media who, you know, she mingle around deep and deep, you know. But there's other people might be there. So why you like a single out 4C? And this is it. Me can't understand. We don't know. Me I keep a party, right? And say me I keep a yearly party. Not every day me get up keep party. There's a yearly party and me keep like a birthday party every year. And every year me I keep the party. Me have hundreds of friends. Remember, me I keep the party, but me I put my money in to get back out my money. If I even my money with a little dollar upon it. But yet still, me I charge $50 to come in. But yet still everybody want complimentary pass. Remember now, you know, most time those gate receipts, you know, is where you use to pay for the land, clean up back the place, and that kind of cover certain expense, different from what the liquor profit you make off of the liquor. You use the gate receipt to cover those. Cause me used to see another little thing there for a short while promotion business. So me know. You know, most time your gate receipt you use to cover certain bills. Pay for probably the sound, the land, for clean up by the land and certain little things. So you know, you know, touch a little profit to you make off of the liquor. So when me I go come now and me have 500 friends and me get 200 friends complimentary pass. My land full up at 200 somebody and the land can hold 1,000. And say 800 somebody come, 200 out of it free. And at the same time, what about my next 300 friends? Them are going to say me a fussy. Because them are going to hear say me give a complimentary pass, but them not get none. Me not rate them. So why me if you keep something and you come to support me and me if you give something free? But this way you do, you just try to put things in a Kris head. For Kris come out here come vent. But by now, after what happened and meet and greet, I think he might come to his senses and realize that a poke or not a poke him. You understand? Probably know as me say me still not hear what him say up to today. Me just hear the thing them piece and piece of circle and who disagree with him behavior and who not disagree and whatsoever. But I think by now him realize say this was all a setup. This is just probably one of a few last chance I wanna have to try something. I wanna dip in the bag another one they come up, I wanna just work with it. Simple.
So when it comes to her taste bad cakes and her bun or whatever she has to sell, a bull of them.
We are sell off the shelf and here one can't sell.
For Kris and Kasim. Yes. Because they have invested so much into Donna when it comes to their time. So like I said, he's not my favorite person, but I am going to be honest here. Donna chose not to do that. Then when she go up on the stage, I get why Lotian is up there. But you know who I think should have been the next person next to her? Not Sledgehammer and Spoil Milk, who I'm sure you guys know is chocolate and vanilla. No, not Sledgehammer.
Don't worry man, them soon come for you.
Nah, it should have been Kris. Because I have seen where Kris is more around her and you know, condone a lot of her behavior as well. Even when the plank of them disrespect Kris. Even the last time when they went to Canada, all the plank of them come out and disrespect Kris.
Not even the last time when the plank of them come out and disrespect him. The last time when they try the same thing in Canada. So, probably that's why I want to dip in the bag for the same trick again this time. Because you want to see the man come out and cry. I don't know what I did. I'm going to start keep myself to myself, you know. And that's what I want to say again. But it not work that way this time. Him take it to him live. Despite me left on him live to the last time. But him not do that balling something like this time. And probably on a fall short I want to really did want. Because you probably want to see him in that sad state there again. If you say yes, you see it, you F for you. Yes man, you yes man. Come back to the stage. You have to say Miss Lotan, you expect a Kris should have up there too. it come back to what me I said a while ago about the seating. Remember now, Miss Lawton is actually partaker in the old settings as one of her friends. And when I say partaker, with the present settings, remember Miss Lawton provide the food, cook the food, right? So if she even call up Miss Lawton on the stage for gratitude for all that she have done, and probably Miss Lawton, they are New York and they are probably a jump around and do some little things her also where the whole thing is concerned. Just saying, you know. And she called her up on stage and I said, thank you, gratitude. You say Kris should have up there too. So if Kris should have up there too, should have call up a whole heap other more people. Nana Lynn, as me just said earlier on, Rose, where keep Joshy fair as she said when she did it, so her there, so and give a hype on Joshy when she did Canada and Ray. You understand? Carol should have called up all of our people. And remember now, time was limited. Even when Donna did that, I give the speech, I would up on the stage with her. I don't quite remember. No, she did up on the stage when she make the entrance and come up on the stage and she did that talk. If you don't notice, Raga Shanti come behind her and tell her, I say, remember time again, so kind of cut it. You understand? Because we know when time you're ready, if you go talk, you're not stop. But remember time again, so we are work with time. So what she do to call up one bag of people, no one take up a whole heap of unnecessary time? Hey, we're not ready for go build on a story, you know. For things work for no way, you know. When it not work for no way, you know, me I tell on you know. Jesus, please.
Still hang around. But good for you though. Because I don't know when you're gonna wake up and see that this woman don't like you and the plankers don't like you. Now look what Ashanti 360 doing to Kris over there. Amakla. Now really, honestly, look, did you please guys, if you have not listened, go over there and listen to how disrespectful they have been towards Kris. Them call Kris all kind of name. And Donna refused to come out and say anything. You know the last thing I heard Donna said? Them said if you stay out of it, you're not supposed to.
I don't know if Donna said that, but what I am saying, Donna has said this over and over. She now come out here come fight nobody battle. Because only make it look as you say, you know, it's like Donna the mother for social media, especially over here. So. If Donna will come out for me today and fight for me, basically she will come out and fight for everybody. So, what kind of example should be setting? But this is what we want you to do. Because we want you to come out now, come defend Kris, and then Ashanti turn on back and start cuss her. So when she be neutral and stay in her lane and make whatever battle or fight or whatsoever I say till it done. Most of these things are 9-day talk. Look how much I want to have worse talk than this on a 9-day. To not mess up again. You understand? It's not the first Donna come out, it's not the first people who probably support this side, you know, have a difference. Because it's not everybody will say planka see eye to eye with them one another at the same time, you know. You get what me I say to you? So she make sure tell you say she not come out here, come fight nobody, buckle for them. Anybody have them little thing, if them can't see the way for work it out and be a big person and know say boy alright, the 2 or the 3 or I say XYZ, so you're not supposed to in this and you understand? What they are the meet and greet? Because of the meet and greet and she know these 2 persons were there, you know, it's a meet and greet. So she come and she try to mend the fences with the 2 of them seeing eye to eye, which is Observant and Rose. You understand? But basically she is saying she's not going to come on no phone. Come here, say John over there say cause Ari and Sona over there say cause Pasty. And because they all say planka, she gonna just jump on. Cause at the end of the day, this is what we don't want, because if she come out and she say Ray, we not gonna say she a pick side. No care what she do, if I the right thing or the wrong thing. And if I the wrong thing, I double wrong. So what you try to get that out of her. If she come out, come defend one side and then the next side turn upon her. And that you don't want to see, you know. So what the best thing for do? Stay calm. If me can call you back door, we should know she not call nobody back door. Anybody she call upon the live. Because she don't want nobody go say she did say this and never that she said. So anything she go do and call, she'll call Harry and say, Harry, you want me? Ray. She go call John and she go say, John, Ray, wanna done with it. She'll call Patsy and she go say, Patsy, Sonia, wanna done. Probably that's all she might say. But she not go try to get deep in it. But at that, who no want. Because you know what can happen. Because one I go say a side she a pick. Because the simplest thing she say, you know, people can terms it different, you know. So what the best thing? Don't say nothing at all. I mean I wrong you down and not say nothing.
This is your friend that you say, no, this is not your friend, this is your brother. Ashanti is somebody that you meant fence with because he had some of your darkest secrets. And you didn't want
Kris
to
have
get
said
out,
this
so you
also. If
paid
no
him.
want nobody
Yes,
fight no
brother,
back of
we know
female, he
about
can fight him
the
own battle.
$1,500 to knuckle.
So,
That went to
what you
Ashanti, we
talk
know
about?
about that one too. And many other payments. So you paid him with cash money and also with the plankers, the brainless plankers going over there to support him. That's how you pay him to keep him quiet. But believe me, he's lining up them ammunition. You know why I know he's lining them up? Because you see his original page where he used to be on and cursing around. Have you noticed that he has not deleted one of those videos? If you say you have men fence with this woman, wouldn't you go over there and get rid of them videos? Why would you still want to have them? Ashanti still have all of them videos there because if I get ready. Woo! The day Uno don't send Ashanti $1. A war in a park.
Then now, something what you want to see. So you don't stand up and wait for it to happen. I make you see if it gonna make you a better person. Eh? It never break 99 back then. You feel like I know it gonna break her? When she even more stronger in footing? Come on. But these are the things what you don't want to see happen. You understand? And then you have a set of people who run behind you who say them want to see peace and them want to see changes. But at the same time, them same people there are still over fence and throw fuel in the fire. And uno up front I use psychology. You understand? Some stay over the wall and throw the fuel in the fire. Me there saw me a throw water and a out it. Like me there in my house a while ago, you know. And me a show through Instagram, me see a man have 2 balls on a table and a mug. You know, like when you play dice, crown and anchor, and you bet. And like the man I say, the man goes and roll the cup and show them which part the ball going in which cup. And by the time goes a man on the table, so when him goes and slide the ball at the edge of the table, it just drop another man the hand. So when him come round one of them see in that cup here, the man let go the cup out, the ball out of that cup here. So when him come round with that cup here, now the man shoot back the ball into that cup here, and everybody bet their money upon that cup here when him go so at the wrong cup. So I like uno know, uno come out here with psychology. Show certain things out here like say boy, oh, I am not into it. But you stay over the fence and while me are out the fire station room and I throw the fuel in it. While you like all you know you come now and go on like you're smart. Because we all know what you want to say happening, you know. You think you want a good for Kris? You don't want a good for Kris? You stating at this say you don't like him is not your cup of tea. But what? If you can use him to get to another person where you probably despise more than how you despise him, that is what you're going to do. And I saw people stay on a hole. Me talk it in the previous video. Say people will use them enemy to get to them next enemy where them despise more. So them just use you. Some of them will all friend you and you say, Jesus, how this a work? How this? All of a sudden, 5 years now you don't talk to me. And you just a friend me back. So yes, because them want to use you to get to somebody else where them despise more.
Guys, trust and believe, and she knows that. So she cannot defend Kris when it comes to Ashanti, even if she wanted to. But then again, I don't even think she wants to. She don't even care. And if Kris not sitting down and looking at that, then something is seriously wrong with him. I know he probably wants to be friends with her. I don't know for whatever reason. Because I think when it comes to Kris and is decorating his cake and all of that, I think Kris is one of the best out there. I believe he's one of the, and I
Listen psychology. Because when she said this now, in the back of her head, see ya. But I can't see this. I not Tina this, man. I can't Tina this. We say she better than Kris, and Kris on use fondles with out of style and this and Taranata. No, sir. And that we have to say to herself, when she said that, But that's what she try to do. That's how the psychology come in. You understand? Because she try to throw we off. You understand? That's exactly what she had the psychology she use. And when me notice, make it look like at the first, as me said, there is an encounter like this out there with two close person and 99 stay away from it. Two close person we would have said, boy, alright. I say yes, sir. I know the first. And it not gonna be the last, because as me say, it's not everybody will say planka see eye to eye with them one another. It's not everybody. Remember me tell you that. You have some of them all that say planka, me can tell you say, make a shock me mouth.
At his page. Kris is one of the best out there. Donna is beneath Kris. So I don't understand why Kris feel that Donna is above him. Donna is beneath Kris.
Donna not bake wedding cakes and decorative cakes. So why would you want to come out here and say Donna is beneath Kris? Alright, I can put it this way then. Yes, Donna is beneath Kris. But that shouldn't be no comparison. You should be the one who comparing yourself with Kris. Because you bakes decorated. Oh, sorry. You decorate Walmart cakes. But guess what? It won't be no comparison. Because Kris bake his cake. Kris decorate his cake. We see that from scratch. You only decorate Walmart cake. So at the same time, in saying this, you should be the one who compare yourself and you go on like you better than Kris. When Kris a bake film one cake and decorate it. So I don't know why you compare Donna and Kris. Are you if you compare yourself with Kris? But true, no comparison of there. But you only have said this now. Because as me say, if you try divert, I could think different. Oh no, no Tina. So they must say Tina seems on TV. Like how me and your friend Curly come out and defend the whole argument. I don't know if I the video we are go around and now make she come out. Oh, I know Tina won't see him on TV. I'm telling her now, because I'm not talking about Tina won't see him on TV. You're so quick you jump on that. You're so quick you hear that nasty Curly. And come out to come defend that and defend Tina so I know she won't see him on TV. But all the word we are throw upon you dirty Curly. And the shade with Tina throw upon you for all these weeks and days and months. Where you come out and say, me not hear no, and you don't want hear, and you don't try to hear. But you hear this now, where you can come out, come defend. Oh, and a Tina won't me talk to the person already with one same TV, and another Tina me talk to, and them did ask me for permission to use my content, and I tell them that I'm not going to give you no permission, but if you want to use it, you use it. Wait. That not say a Tina can set up somebody to call you. Tell the person what to say, and from the person sensible, them are going to know what to say. Common sense. So that no mean that Tina own the page. If Tina hide herself, why would she call you? Remember, she hide behind the page, So if she talk to somebody like you want, she said she talk to you to use your content, she gonna use somebody to talk to you. So come on. But me not try to show you. You saw you run out with that. Tina say you're homeless. Tina come out and come say you need help. Planka Nation for help you, Donna for help you and stop try to tear you down. And you know come out and come lash out on Tina. All you come out. If Tina said that to you, she shouldn't call my name. Tina is wrong because I'm not homeless. Yes, that's all. And so many things Tina have said where you claim to say you're not hear, you're not listening, you're not want, and you're not talk about it. But you come out here and talk about same so TV and Tina one. Dirty Curly. I don't know what kind of secret Tina have for you Eh? What kind of secret she have for you?
Donna is beneath everybody I see on social media right now. The only thing Donna have is the plunkers. Is the plunkers that she walk the science spun and them can't do no else than give her money.
Jealousy,
Is the
bunny,
plunkers
eh?
that she have under her spell. That's all Donna have. So when you see people gravitating towards Donna, it's not because Donna is somebody. Donna is nobody. Donna can't even have a conversation to
Listen
save her
again
life.
and reflect on her original page.
Donna can't even represent her own self.
Mm-hmm.
No, people
And
don't
you can
gravitate
represent
towards her
yourself,
for
me no
nothing
see you
else
get no contract.
other
You
than
know, do no
she has the
advertisement, nothing
brainless
at all.
clunkers that they know that will come and spend money.
Because
That's
you're
the only
fake.
reason that people even look in Donna direction. And that's why I think why Kris continue. Even when them shame him like a dog, him continue to be right next to her or behind her. But I don't understand it because Kris has a fan base. Kris has his royals. They may not be as much as the Plunkers, I may not be as savage as the Plunkers, but he has his royals. So I don't understand why would you continue with this criminal girl? Why? Why would you subject yourself to this constant disrespect from this girl that cannot read and write to save her life, but the only thing she has a PhD in is scamming and thieving and abusing elderly people, and I would say
Yo! Can you imagine Tina call people girl? Same so TV I call people girl. Eh? Tina, you really have the heart to come out here and call somebody girl? What kind of PhD? She have done a PhD in scamming. What kind of PhD you have, Tina? Tina, what college have you been to? Can you come out here, come show me a survey ticket for a college in America? Tina, you may talk to you know? Come out here, come show me some form of educational certificate, Tina. We not look on your grades. We don't want to see your grades. If your grades are even below par, we don't want to see that. We just want to see say, yes, you're in an institution. Some college or something. Tina, in this world, I'm going to tell you again, it's not the people that with the documentation is getting through. The world are past a stage yet. Because if you have a document, people want the actual skill, not the documents. I say it already and I'm going to say it again. There's a lot of people you see out there, all these big posts in these big established companies. All them have is documentation. Remember, you have theory and you have practical. What I say? All them have is documentation. They cannot do the actual work. When I say a while ago, you have theory and you have practical. You understand? So, if a private man there so then, a iron man, if he build somewhere for him, put it this way, and you have your documents, where the private man no require documents from you to build in place. Because basically, documents only work mostly when you go get government work and government contract to prove that okay, you're certified. But the man over there, so we are building place as the private man, him know of me, my qualities, where my skill set is concerned. Because I'm going to Jacksonville, I'm going to Cherry Garden, I'm going to Beverly Hills, and he has seen my work. Friends of him has recommended me to him. You feel like you can't get that work there with the documentation? None at all you can't get that work there. And me I get it. So your documentation no work for you. It is good to have because it complements also your skill set. But if me have one of the two of the skill set me no want the documentation. And when you go talk about this and talk about that, Tina, you have all the knowledge in life. Same so TVT girl. You have all the sense, all the skill set, all the smartness, all the education. But where does it put you? Can you imagine just a simple little business where you are run? We can't see no progress in it. Just imagine if you get an entity to run. What would have happened or what would happen? Would like a possibility where you get an entity that is already established to become some farmer manager of that entity, where you come with different ideas to try to move that entity from where it is, the level where it's there, to a different level. And Donna Marie go get an entity that is not even half as established as the one where you are get. With the same task to move it from where it is and put it further. And one thing me can tell you, you couldn't outdone her. With all the knowledge, education, sense, street smart and everything we have, you couldn't outdone Donna. If you have a little small business around and we can't see no progression in it, and because you don't have no business management skill, no financial packative, no financial, nothing at all to do with business. You understand? You take your falling, failing, and everything that's bad will happen to your business and put it on other people and make it look like a them. Make your business not prosper. A them make you can't achieve. Look at most of the people them aligned with 99. Why you carry feelings to them? Because of 99. The late deceased lady. Why you and that lady have, why you have a beef with that lady? Because she was probably one of the promoters of 99 products in America, because she come here for it and she carry it there. You understand? So you build a beef with that lady because you feel like she promote you out of the business. But it's 52 states in America. If you not do well, you have to find the one them down a countryside and all about, go build your own brand. You can't manage yourself. You left yourself and stay and fight it. Left yourself and go somewhere else and try build a market there. But you never have them the skill there. The skill is to come out here, come tear down people. And tear down and want to live a yard and you're there foreign.
The most vulnerable peoples in Jamaica. That's all she knows how to do. Why? She's beneath you, Kris. Do not stand around and let Donna and her plunk of bloggers and her plunk of followers disrespect you like this. Walk away. I will never tell you to come out and cuss her and all of that. No, that's uncalled for. That's unnecessary. But if I were you, I would slowly pull myself. No, not slow. Move it fast. Fast, move yourself back. Get away. Get away from her. Because if you don't understand,
Can't see only 8 people and
around
concerned about them
Donna,
at the same
after a
time.
while, we are singing Amazing Grace.
You 8 him but you're concerned about him.
To get yourself away from her. Because if this woman is gonna choose somebody like Ashanti over you that have been there with her for so long,
Dash your fuel in the fire, yes, cause blazing fire you want to see. You think you want to see ashes? And the ashes you want to see, now fire you want to see. So go and throw your oil. Throw your gas in the fire, cause gas you try gas up something. Move.
Because all Donna want to do is come, scam, make money to show off on people. And she's showing off on every last one of y'all. Because as much as she say she's all for, you know, supporting, pushing you, the day one of y'all look like y'all have more than her, it's gonna be a problem. Because Donna always have to be on top. She always has to be on top.
I
And she don't
bet.
understand that when you're a certain size, it's not good for the other person when you're on top. She don't seem to understand that.
I bet.
But Your Majesty, Kris, you need to pull yourself away from those people that call themselves plunkers.
You need a mental infirm if you're going on.
The one that then call Miss Loti and Kris, I know that you think that's your friend, and she sell your cake for you. I know you think that.
Dash your gas, yes, and light fire. Me not wrong, yes. Dash your fire and light. Your gas and light fire.
People keep thinking that Lotian is
Cause your fire now go
There's a
blaze.
reason why Donna stick with Lotian. And there's a reason why she could not have stick with Opal. God rest her soul. Because Lotian condone a lot of her dirty behavior, and Lotian is often in the background pushing
Poor
her to
Miss
do certain
Lotan.
things.
Poor Miss
Lotian
Lotan.
is not innocent. You know that bad cop, good cop, you know that? That's what the both of them play. Lotian is in the back and telling Donna a lot and doing a lot. Because you have to understand that Lotian restaurant is only surviving on the clunkers. Where Lotian restaurant is at, there's many other restaurants around. I said it the other day. There's Buff Patty down the block. There is the smokehouse. There is even the Doors. There's a lot of other restaurants where their food tastes way better. Not
So this is something strange. Our day, I see Donna pass in New York and see one long line. And here say the man say I sell something the man I sell where everybody else I sell. But a female the people them want, a female the people them like. So what? You go up a Red Hills Road back in the days, you see more chicken pan up there. And when you go up there, a Shaggy alone, the crowd there. Blacking Road from Red Hills Road go right back down to Red Hills Mall, gone all the way back up to Price Mart. And the amount of chicken man coming from there so come down and at one place them the Shaggy. So this is nothing strange. So what you try to say? And nobody make you not have a support base. If you buy a little round belly cake them. As me see the cake them, me pants, me them not see them in my eyesight naturally. As me look on your page and see your cake them, my belly start hurt me. Me I figure I tired it. I me not eat them yet, me not taste it yet. Just looking at it, me have running belly.
saying that Lotian food don't taste good. I'm not saying that. But I've been there and I've tried her food. Ha ha ha.
Hear it again, yeah?
But I am
Wanna hear the laugh? Ha ha ha. I have been there and I have. You know why she laugh? Just pre why she laugh. I have been there and I have tried her food. Ha ha ha. Because in her head she say what me I say. Because if me there Miss Lotan must say me come there. Because Miss Lotan know me. It's not impossible for you because knowing you, you will do that. You will send somebody go buy the food. But I know you go buy the food. So you realize, say, I know you go buy the food. That's say, you must have to laugh, you know. Because you know, so if you go there, Miss Lotan, and go see, all she not dead, the camera must run back one night time when she see you. So that's why you laugh.
telling you. Comparing to the other restaurants, Lotian got nothing on them. She only continued to survive because of the plunker support.
Nothing
And
wrong
that's
with
why
that.
she'll always be there to condone Donna nasty behavior and push her to continue because she wants that. She wants her to stay relevant out there, even if it's good or bad. She wants her to stay on top where people is talking about her. She wants her, Donna to keep calling up her name because that's the only way her restaurant is surviving. Because I am telling you right now, if she and Donna go sideways, right? And the planker stop supporting her, Lotian has to close that restaurant
So
down.
Planka alone buy
I'm
for
telling
Miss
you
Lotan,
because
that's
I know
true?
this. The only support
Everybody want a strong
Loads
support
they
base, and
promise
nobody
not
make you
on the
not have
campus.
none.
Maybe one or two people. And sometimes they don't return.
All of the people with on your page are cheer
There's
you on and a
other
gas you
Jamaican
up.
restaurants around a
Make them
whole
turn
lot
your
of
base.
others.
Your good
Where
support
in their
base too.
food tastes way
Them
better.
gas you up every
I'm
day
sorry.
on your platform,
So,
Kari,
Kris, I am
and the
telling
whole of
you, you
them.
think you're trusting Lotian and you're calling Lotian to the side. If Lotian was any kind of friend, Lotian was the one that got that place and was helping to do everything. If Lotian was any kind of friend and he knows how close you are to Donna and all the stuff you have done for Donna, he would have said, she would have said, no, Donna, no, me alone supposed to up you at least. Kris, I forgot to write next to me too.
So on to
But
Carol,
Lotian is only
Nanalyn,
thinking about
Rose.
Lotian. And how much she could get and what she could get. Well, you could get it all, but if your food tastes like garbage, they're going to hire you the first time. But if your food tastes like garbage, they ain't going to get you the second time. I know that. I wouldn't. Uh-huh. So, Kris, they all don't mean you no good, in my opinion. And I think you should just run. Run. Take your husband and run. Because all of them, what them are trying to do, if they could have get rid of you, forget your husband. They're all hungry for your husband. Trust and believe. They are all hungry for your
Oh
husband.
God. I this will come out here yourself a chat about.
Whatever, full of
I
feces.
this will come out here. Mine are you a thing for one the man husband, you know.
Yes, them do. I saw them nasty. The plank of them desperate and nasty. But anyway, me not run on this video no longer. Drive me a drive. But anyway, Kris, big up yourself. It's sad what me see them do to you out there. Honestly, me feel it. Me not like you. I don't like you. I can't stand you. I think you're
And you
disrespectful.
care so much
But me
about
feel it
him.
and it doesn't look good. Especially when
You
me listen
care
to a
so much about him.
me not like it. It doesn't sound good. When I read the comments and then
Where you try now go work.
I
I guess you try gas up something, it now go work.
like it. It doesn't feel good. And like I said, take with yourself, brother. Take with yourself. Anyway, one love.
Where you try now go work. You try gas up something for it working in your favor. For you can come out and come chat more and have more content. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Tamika Douglas and Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give them a subscription also. And remember, the cash up down there. $, Life is a Mission TV. I'm out.